started. Now, the, any question for you? Okay. Subject UNHCR in Registered Refugees Movement International. Name of Bhutan people are refugees camp has Eastern Nepal in Asia. From the refugees camp, some refugees Australia, Europe and USA in humanity. Nowadays, refugee camp has Nepal. Excellencies UNHCR and IOM for safe protection on refugees. India is general mistake to Bhutan sponsor in made the member of UNO in 1971. It is illegal migration Tibet, no Bhutan. His education word is right Tibet. No his dress and cultural. Bhutan is wrong. Name of Bhutan is take. It is that Bhutan flag in earth drop, droop, then thunder of dragon, droop. It is model is proof is that China. No Bhutan. Bhutanese became the illegal subject, discriminal subject, terrorist subject. The land is no Bhutan. No protection people, monarchy system, king. He declared one nation, one people. India is Republic of India. The India military in Bhutan, the India military has no protection on people. Government of Bhutan discrimination on people. Between the Bhutan and India, no international border. Between Bhutan and China, no international border. Bhutan east, west, north and south, no international border. Between India and China, no international border. Bhutan cultural is Tibet, no Bhutan cultural. It is illegal subject. All the people deny Tibet cultural in Bhutan. Monarchy rule, forceful law. All the people want to interested word, dress in short pant, coat, etc. Meaning of Bhutan flag is China. Mark people in cultural is Tibet. Tibet is illegal land. It is wrong Bhutan. Need cancel, reject, dismiss it from the UN. It is illegal on the population census record to made in 1988 by Bhutan on the population F1 to F7. Border is 57 law. As for the long generation on people, description proof is that Amnesty International report UK. Meaning of foreigner, long generation on people, meaning of F and forceful Tibet dress order illegal has government of Bhutan by the diplomatic policy, forceful eviction more than 100,000 people. Bhutan is ethnic. Government of Bhutan do not repatriation people from the Nepal, which is UNHCR refugees. Amnesty International UK declared refugees made by stateless. We have need Bhutan to make stateless. Government of Bhutan needs told the Bhutanese refugees, government of Nepal told the refugees is from Bhutan. Bilateral talks cannot be made negotiated for refugees. In subject is that Bhutan is illegal, need new modern of independent nation, new modern and long generation people in this area. The land is not India, not China, not Bhotia, Tibet. The land is Gorkha land, long generation. All of this visitor group is report is wrong. They are no visited in southern parts of the area in people, no take it the photo. It is diplomatic policy, northern China border photo. Wonderful subject. British is silent on refugees. UNHCR in registered refugees movement subject, monarchy system rule, forceful deported by army, police and district officer from the statement is verbal, royal order, killed by sponsor, killed by shooted, killed by beaten in the jail, victim torture, jail on the human rights violation people, forceful deported, children, men, women, old women, old men. India is silent in 1990. It is innocent people. India has forceful supply to company boss to Nepal. Then we have got a fundamental rights and asylum seeker to refugees in Nepal in UNHCR registered in from the 1990 has responsible government of refugees do not negotiate it, do not make the agreement for refugees, repatriation for refugees. This time India silenced any kind of do not help on refugees by India to Bhutan. Idle project electricity direct to India cannot make founded population electricity and no facility to meet the economics on people of Bhutan. Cannot meet the independent of country from India and China. Million property of people of in Bhutan such as plantation, orange garden, it is a cardamom town building, land, more and more property lost or missing in Bhutan. Bhutan need cancel, reject, dismiss it from the UN. It is illegal. Bhutan is Himalayan Gorkha Desh need to make new nation. South is Bangladesh, India, north is Tibet, Bhutan, line China, east is Burma, west is Nepal. Meaning of Nepal, name of nation, population name is Nepal, nation name of China, population name is Chinese, but it is Gorkha Desh. In Gorkhali nationality. When British rule of India needed help from the British, France, USA and China to modern to nation established by UN. All over the world declaration international subject to UN were sponsor of UN government. Some refugees Australia, some refugees Europe, some refugees USA and Germany. In human rights of UNHCR registered refugees, world in Tibet, refugees hand over to the China, Tibet included China democracy movement. The subject is basic program Human Rights of Gorkha Global Generation to make the new modern and new nation independent country in the area of Asia needed universal Himalayan Declaration Geneva office in the UN. Himalayan Gorkha Desh, human rights, the land of Darjeeling, Siliguri, Hat, Dor, Kokrajhar, Chirang, Dagana, Sarbang, Hatisar, Neoli, Guwahati, Tezpur, Nagaland, Manipur, Shillong, Tinsukia, Shivsagar, Arunachal Pradesh, all over the human rights organization by need in this area population registered to excellencies by UN. The population is in the very difficult and problem on people. British is silent long generation people in no nation million and million people are problem. When from Burma, this is Nepal, forceful deported to India, India deported to Nepal. Proof is Nepal government time is king, but it is Gorkhali people. Nepali meaning diplomatic policy of Gorkhali people. This is Nepal, get out from the country. From Burma, this is Nepal, get out. From Bhutan to India, Nepal. The India has, this is Nepali, get out Nepal. His Excellency is government of Nepal. It is not Nepali sending to get out from Nepal to international, which is Gorkhali people, but people are problem. Where is the country need of this land of the international discussion? No needed different policy. USA voice resettlement program to refugees who is fundamental rights in Security Councils of UN. But which court discussion on refugees? We have no needed resettlement and people dominated. We have need new modern, new nation in this people progress and independent concern in contact help need to welfare people for the development authorizations from the UN. And Europe, USA, Australia support, then Africa support the refugees connection, protections by this international organization for migration, IOM, and UNHCR, long time waiting for refugees repatriation authorization, Foundation for Refugees, General Assembly, International Community, Security Councils, observation in this area, foundation of new modern of new nation, well-being for population made in the nation. Plural subject in need, subject for UN. In this moment in need help from the International Organization for Migration, IOM, on progress all over the world responsible made in fundamental human rights and fundamental responsible structure as need recommendation on global one fundamental human rights and fundamental responsible structure has need recommendation on global population by fundamental rights and responsible government for refugees judgment by UNO. We beg to request you that UNO observation love to people, meaning of government, name of leader, his hand in police, military and weapons, mind good or bad, right to wrong, any no measurement. This is my government speaking. People give to the difficult subject need UNO for the judgment and observation. Natural era in this year, in forest generation of time, human being resident, human is humanity. In this area, long generation by birth is identity is Gorkhali, education word, language word is Gorkhali, military is Gorkha. All over the world, communication need in the subject for your honor to help between India and Gorkhali. Different language, different religions, all of people as religion praying of God cannot be used religion subject in political. Religion is religion, political is political. Every nation subject our religion is Hindu, Buddhist and Bible all over the world. Each one other cooperation word need by English and French as Gorkhali of the education. The geographical Himalaya regional area need new modern, new. The geographical Himalaya regional area need new modern and new nation name of Himalayan Gorkha Desh, Northeast China, Southeast Bangladesh and India cannot be used between India and China international border. India international border again started. India cannot be used between India and China international border. Indian international border is Gorkha Desh and Bangladesh. China international border is Gorkha Desh. Myanmar is not is a original name of Myanmar. Original name is Burma. Need observation. It is illegal diplomatic policy in education writing in Indian Marathi words in Burma. It is not true. Original name is Gorkha Burma. We have interested on the people for development. Asian country. Asia in this country operation by the Western country in Himalayan Gorkha Desh in between British and Nepal treaty. No discussion to UNO and between name of Bhutan and British treaty of no discussion. His Excellency is UNO of the land who migration Tibet made in Bhutan. Between name of Bhutan and British treaty of no discussion and Excellency is UNO of the land who migration Tibet made in Bhutan. It is wrong Bhutan. Cancel, reject, dismiss it and made in the new nation need Gorkha Desh by the UNO join new modern. My name is Durva Acharya, refugee camp is Nepal, sector G4, hut number 40, Beldangi 2, Jhapa, Nepal, UNHCR and IOM registered. Refugees now California, USA.